Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius placements. This is Shore. End of the month. Love reading and general. Okay, general and love read. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, if you're interested, pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And don't forget our second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung atin pong link and yung ating mga items. So, protection from evil eye, meron tayong love bracelet, meron din tayong granter necklace. Okay, so si granter taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. And yung ating cord cut. Okay, so there. So let's start the reading again. Agad. Aqua. What's for you in general bago mag-end ang March? What's for you? Aquarius placements. What's for you in general? The Seven of Wands. Merong ipupursue. Okay? Some of you, may chance na magkakaroon, sabihin natin may open, may susubukan, pwedeng business, or pwedeng meron ditong something na pwedeng sisimulan in general. May sisimulan. This is like new. A hobby? Maybe. Okay, new interest. New interest. The Five of Pentacles Universe. Some of you, ito po is patungkol sa kaperahan, na pwedeng meron kayong mga susubukan para magkaroon ng ibang source ng income, mga ganyan. Okay. Meron din ditong makikipag-ayos or makikipag-usap sa'yo in general para may ma-fix. Okay, para po may ma-fix, lalo na pagdating sa pera. Hindi ko alam kung meron kayong pinautang, mga ganyan. So, magre-repeat na parang ganun. Oo, magpaparamdam muli. Parang ganyan. I think, nawa, no? So, what else for you, Aqua? Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Kanina naka-upright to, kita ko siya. So, anong meron sa Wheel of Fortune na naka-reverse? So, I think may mga babaguhin. Okay? May mga kailangan baguhin. Maybe cycle or what? The Knight of Cups. Ano ito? Why the Wheel of Fortune in reverse? The Empress. Huwag maging nega. Oo. Kung marunong ka mag-focus, kung ano man to. Some of you, I'm seeing here, somebody wanting to connect. Pero ang tingin mo sa kanila is hindi okay. Some of you, there's this energy from your past wanting to resurface, to reconnect maybe. They want long-term connection. This is general, pero I'm seeing here specific message. The Knight of Pentacles. I don't know if there's two past person ang parang magre-resurface bago mag-end ang March. Yes. I don't know, maybe nakikitaan ka lang nila ng mas okay ka ngayon. Parang ganyan. Whether lalaki ka, babae ka, kung naman ang gender mo. What else? Meron ditong something na pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, sa tingin nyo parang, parang hindi naman magiging okay to. Parang ganyan. Kung naman yung mga sinisimulan nyo na recently, may chance na talagang dapat focusan nyo lang. Okay? Nakuha ko na energy ng longevity dito. Okay? Improvement. Pwede may mag-improve. Progress. somebody's action will, sabihin natin, magkakaroon ng progress pagdating sa'yo. I don't know what. So what else? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. What is that? Your man is going good, going great. Okay? Going great. Basta, wag ka lang mawawala sa direction mo, sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Lalo na kung alam mong ikaw itong, alam mo yung pathway mo, no? Wag kang mawawala sa direction. Six of Pentacles in reversed. The Lovers in reversed. Something pwedeng makadistract. Yeah, I'm seeing here distraction, or sabihin nating ano ba yun? Ano bang maganda na salita? Storbo. Pwedeng may makastorbo sa'yo sa mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Parang mawawala ka sa ruta. So, yun ha. Yun yung nakikita ko. Pwede kasing somebody will connect na pwedeng makakasira sa ruta mo. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Four of Cups. I don't know, some of you have to, to ignore na lang this. Yes. Hindi ko naman sinabing, okay, wag ka nang magjowa or wag ka nang makipag-connect. Pero it's up to you. Okay, learn how to manage time, clear schedules, if ever. The Three of Swords. So, yeah, it's up to you. Kung gusto mo. Pero, learn, no? Kung paano mo ima-manage ng maigi, maayos, yung hindi ka madidistract sa mga ginagawa mo. Okay? So, somebody is sad here. Disappointed. They have regrets, actually. So, yeah. So, tayo tumungo na sa love. Okay. Ano bang meron pagdating sa love ng mga Aquarius? Okay. Love. Aquarius in love. So, anong meron for you, Aqua? Bago mag-end ang March. Diba? Sobrang late na. Habol lang tayo. Siyempre, may makukuha pa tayo dyan. Okay, when it comes to love, anong meron for you, Aquarius? Hermit in reversed. What? Some of you, you're in the process of healing and hindi mo alam anong gagawin mo. Meron akong breakup na nakikita rito. Some of you, ikaw itong may third party or pwedeng ikaw yung parang chini-cheat. Parang ganyan. Meron ditong niloloko. I'm so sorry. Yeah, the Six of Cups in reversed. Kung sino man itong nagloko sa'yo, Aqua, now they are bitter. They want a new beginning with you. They want another chance with you. Okay, a Virgo, an air sign, and a water sign. This could be any sign. Okay. So, the High Priestess, somebody will get your attention. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Around sa workplace. Somebody will catch your attention. And pwedeng maraming they're like mysterious. Or sabihin natin ikaw ito pagdating sa kanila. You're being mysterious. Ang parang parang ang bigat, ang hirap na parang malaman kung ano bang meron sa'yo. So there's this energy of, the Nine of Swords. Somebody will always, think of you. Ano kayang meron sa kanya. Like that. So some of you, you're guarded. Have healthy boundaries. Parang ganyan. That is why na parang it's hard na makrack open ka. Parang ganyan. The Three of Cups in reversed. And the Six of Wands in reversed. There's this kabit na sobrang galit sa'yo, Aqua. May magagalit na ipinalit sa'yo. I don't know why. There's an energy of somebody who's getting envy or jealous or yeah. I don't know, some of you, pwedeng merong babalikan ng ex at aayawan yung bago. Parang may ganyan. Yeah, the world universe. May iiwan dito na ipinalit sa'yo. Diba, kunyari, ikaw pinalitan ka. Iiwan niya yun. Yes, at babalik sa'yo. I don't know why. Tas yun, magagalit sa'yo yung ipinalit sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the judgment in reverse. Merong aalisan. May babalik. There's communication coming in. Some of you, meron ka ng stalker. Meron na nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Ang daming interesado sa'yo, Aqua. Ang daming nagiging interesado sa'yo. I don't know why. Maybe because of your, maybe intimidating energy. Okay? Being mysterious or kung ikaw yun na tahimik, parang ganyan, loner, I don't know, introvert, some of you maybe. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Yes, madali lang, dadalian lang natin yung reading. Let's see the person on Aquarius mind. Who is this person? Okay, the Ten of Pentacles. Somebody na tingin mo may potential ka na makasama mo siya habang buhay. Kaso nga lang, the Ten of Swords in reverse. O, diba? 10-10. Some of you have been dealing with a younger energy. Younger person. In and out sa'yo itong taong to. In and out. Maybe nagkaroon kayo ng on and off. Some of them, they have money issues, family issues. Okay? Masyado mo nang kilala tong taong to, matagal na. I think, some of you. Naging open book, oo. Itong taong to sa'yo. Alam mo lahat. Some of them they're maybe talkative or talagang mapalakwento lang. Yeah, the Page of Wands, palakwento. Okay. Some of them maraming plano sa buhay actually. Yeah. Let's see anong kailangan malaman sa sitwasyon. Knight of Cups in reverse. If this is a past person, hindi pa rin sila nakaka-move on. Yeah, they want to commit. They still want to commit. They want you. They really, really want you, like you. They want to commit. Pagdating sa'yo. Star. They see you as the star. This is you. So maybe ginagawa mo lang lahat ng sabihin nating mga bagay na kailangan mo gawin aside dito. Okay, somebody is attracted, like physically. Somebody is sexually attracted. Somebody is thinking of you sexually. They're playing themselves while thinking of you. Maybe you are, or maybe them. What is your emotion right now? What is their emotion right now for you, Aqua? The Hierophant in reversed. Why? The Eight of Pentacles. Gusto ng taong to mag-work out yung situation kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? If this is a past person, gusto niya bumalik, gusto niya ayusin kung ano man ang mga kailangang ayusin sa inyo. Nagulo. Kung ito ay current, recently, kakonect mo, gusto nito na magkaroon ng leveling up pagdating sa sitwasyon. Gusto niya, okay? Like, some of them, they want to, secured. Oo, itong connection na to. Gusto na lang i-secure to. Okay? Yeah. They will take risk. They want you. Really, really want you. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you, Aqua? Okay, so we have 2. The Moon, and Death in reverse. It's like, okay, bahala na si Batman. Kahit anong mangyari, bahala na. Basta nandyan siya. Basta nandito yung connection. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Even though they're not ready, some of them, they're not ready financially. Basta nandyan si Aqua, okay ako. Magso-survive to. Kahit anong mangyari. Like that. Risk taker. Oo, itong taong to. If this is a past person, hindi pa rin sila makaka-move on. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. They're still sad, longing for you, craving, aching, wanting, being needy pagdating sa energy mo. Okay? So, let's see what is the potential outcome. This person really likes you. Yeah, they really like you. Potential outcome. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. And the Ace of Swords in reversed. Malakas. Oo. Yeah, see? Strength. Malakas. Ay, nako. The Page of Swords. Why the Ace of Swords in reversed? Okay, there's drama. Or challenge. This is like a challenge. Pwedeng itong connection na to ay isang challenge na pwedeng sabihin nating makakapagbigay rin ng improvement or progress sa isa't isa. This is nice. This is nice. Maraming lesson ang matutunan sa inyo sa isa't isa. Marami kayong matutunan and parang mag-grow kayo together. I think this person wants to grow with you together. Like, ano kanta yun? Yeah, they want to grow old with you. O parang ganyan, yung energy. It's like, whatever happened. Oo, parang ganyan eh. Kung ano man ang mangyari, okay, go. Yeah, Temperance inversed. Sabihin natin, hindi to kailangan madaliin. Okay, hindi ka mamadaliin ng taong to. Yeah, this is nice. Meron lang dito ako nakikita na kailangan maging open. Maging transparent. Maybe sa past. Maybe. Okay, past mo or past niya. Dapat maging open. Para mag-click to. See, again, strength. Something needs to heal. Some of you, ikaw itong parang hindi ganun kaganda yung nakikita mo pagdating sa kanya. Feeling mo parang walang potential to. Ay, ganto, ganyan. Eh, bata to eh. Parang ganto, ay, hindi kami magkikilik whatsoever. Pero yeah, I'm seeing here a great energy. This person is, sabihin natin confident. They are. They are really confident. It's like, kahit anong mangyari, go. For the go. Parang ganon. Anyway, so there. Yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa inyo ng person. So, let's see Aries through Pisces energy. Oo, ng inyong mga person. The person you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. Ayaw nila ng tension. Ayaw nila ng blockage. Taurus. Crush ka ni Taurus. Gemini, they want you. They're attracted physically. Cancer. So, parang si Cancer ay, some of them, they have money issues. They have a lot of insecurities. Leo. Too much in and out energy. No label. Virgo. They're jealous. Libra. Unfinished business. Yeah. Scorpio. They want to move forward with you. Oo, gusto nitong taong to na makasama ka, makausap ka everyday. Sagittarius. There's imbalance here. One-sided connection. Capricorn. Their focus is on you. Ayaw nila ikaw bitawan. Aqua. They're not ready. Okay. There's this missed opportunity. with an aqua. Pisces, they're being mysterious. Like, some of them, they have a lot of questions pagdating sa'yo. They feel like hung up pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below yung ating link. Thank you! Bye!